Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to use the parallel dimension tool to make a font bigger, and this is what's happening if I understand them correct. The number doesn't change. Well, this is one thing I'm not very happy with Corel. When you pick this, you get this little box right there. And if you will click on that and hit OK, and then draw your parallel, and first of all, a font is kind of hard to get on the lines in this situation. So we have, let me make this bigger. We have 7.88. Now, if we get this font and make it bigger, it goes up to 11.04, the size of the font. That's because I clicked on the parallel dimension tool before I did anything. And it's hard to tell whether it's on or off. So you're basically turning it off, so don't do that. And let's try it again to see if it's still on. And I need to change my size of my font for this. And now if we take our font and make it bigger, it's still on. So to turn that off, I don't know why you would ever really turn it off. Let's get rid of this and get the parallel dimension tool, and now turn it off and say okay. And now when we get the parallel dimension tool, we go and we have 8.23. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And now when we grab our font, it doesn't change. The parallel dimension tool doesn't go with it. So to get that to work with nothing selected, grab your parallel dimension tool and click on that and then say okay. And then when you draw your parallel dimension tool, I'm sorry, I should have made this bigger to start with. And now when you get your font and make it bigger, it's going to tell you what it is, 1122. I'm hoping this is what they were wanting. No matter what size you move that, it'll track basically what that's doing. Now, when I said it was hard to click on a font, it is. It will click on the baseline, but there's nothing up here for it to snap to. So what you can do in that case is take your font and left click, right click, make it an outline, then grab the parallel dimension tool, and now you've got something to, well, you still don't have anything to snap to because it's a font, but you could change that, go up to object, convert the object to a curve, and now watch what happens. It will snap to there. And it actually tells you it's perpendicular, meaning you got a straight line. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.